Hey guys, today we have a coin safe bank that you can actually lock with keys and actually the code itself. And it even has a coin slot up here to put your little coins in there. And then they even have a box inside, so when you open it, there's actually a box inside to actually drop your coins into there, so you don't have to pick them up one by one, which is perfect for that. You can even put cash in here or anything valuable to yourself. And to lock it, you just twist it, and they do come to your own code, so you need to know the code yourself. And let's do it, and it opens automatically. So, to test it out, let's put a bunch of coins in there. And you can hear the coins coming in, which is, you know that your money's going to be safe in here. This is perfect for, let's say, kids want to have a little decoration to their bank, to piggy banks. They can have this. You can decorate the bank. It looks super nice. And it keeps all the coins in there. And nobody can get your coins. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.